Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. I'm Hasting the Quickest, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send a view once photo, view once voice message, and view once video on WhatsApp. So all you need to do is to open a chat of your choice. Alright, if you want to send a view once voice note, all you need to do is to tap here. Pause it over here, and after pausing you can see this icon over here that it says 1 and with these dotted circles. So this stands for listen once, means that when the person plays this voice note once, it's being deleted automatically. All you need to do is to tap it, and after tapping it you can confirm this, and after that you can send it. So when the person opens this voice note and listens to it and close it again, the voice note is gone. All right, so that's it for voice notes. And if you want to send a view once photo, you tap over here, go to gallery, and you select any picture of your choice. After selecting the picture of your choice, you tap on this icon over here. You can see this, it says view once message, just go more private. All right, so you can tap on OK and you send it. After sending it, you can see it says photo. This one is voice. So the next one is how to send a view once video. All right, so you tap over here, you go to gallery, you select any video of your choice. For example, I'm going to select this video. I'm going to select one video like this. After that, I'm going to tap on this icon over here. You can see video set to view once, and after that I'm going to send. All right, so it means that whenever the receiver opens a voice note, photo, or the video, the person is going to be able to view this only once. So you can use all of this if you're really concerned about your privacy. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Adios.